Hello students, question is from data structure and algorithm. Question is, which of the following properties may be true for minimum spanning tree of connected graph with at least 3 edges? Okay, so minimum spanning tree must contain the shortest edge of G. It must contain second shortest edge of G and can never contain the longest edge of G. Okay, so when you are talking about the minimum spanning tree, it can be constructed. It can be constructed using Kruskal's algorithm and Prim's algorithm, right? So these are the two methods which we can generate the minimum spanning tree. Okay, so whenever we are talking about Kruskal's and Prim's, we know that we will first start with the smallest edge, right? The edge which is having the least weight. Okay, so it must contain the shortest edge. Okay, now what after that shortest edge, whatever the second shortest edge is there, for that only we will construct the minimum spanning tree. Say for example, this is the graph. Okay, so the shortest edge is 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so first we will consider what? Say this is A, B, C and D. So we will start with A. So first it will go here, then it will go here, right? It won't go here. Okay, so it will always contain this A and then this C, right? Fine. And now just consider this example. You are going to D with 4. Okay, there is no other way, another shorter way, going to D. Okay, now if you consider C, see here, from A to D, okay, A to D, D to C, it will be 9. If you construct, it will be create cycle, then it won't be a minimum spanning tree, right? Now, but if you consider 6, it will be 5. So this is done. So this is our minimum spanning tree, right? Go through 6 also. It can come 6. Okay, so actually in the minimum spanning tree there won't be any cycle. So I'm just telling like this. See, so my point was that, so it will contain first least one, then the second least one. Okay, so it must contain, but it is not true that it will never contain the longest edge. It might happen that it can contain longest edge. Okay, so it might be possible that we can go for longest edge. Say for example, if the figure was like this, B, A, C, okay, I was telling this as 2 just for sake, okay, this as D and this as C, 5, okay, and this was the thing, 6. So now what will be the spanning tree now? So this will be the A, right? This will be 2, A, B. Now through which way you can go? C. D is 4. Okay, this is the second shorter one. Now you can't go like this because it will be 4 plus 5, 9. But this is the shorter one, right? So this is the 6. So this will be the minimum spanning tree. This is the MST of this particular graph. So this is an exceptional, right? It can include the like the longest edge in the particular. This is also a G, right? This is a G, correct? So when you are telling a G, then it is a minimum spanning tree. So contain the longest edge. So the third option is not correct, that it can never contain the longest edge of G. So it may or may not happen that the longest edge of G is not included. Here this was not the case. Here it won't be included, okay, but here it is included, right? In this particular graph G, this is included. So this is the longest edge is not included. So it can contain and it will definitely contain the shortest and the second shortest. Okay, so the first and second is the true, but third is not true. So answer is C. Only 1 and 3 is correct. That 1 and 3 are correct. They are true. Okay, so answer is C. Thank you.